My name's Chris Kuran, and I'm owner and founder of Waterstone Faucets. Creating a Waterstone faucet's no small task because everything's made right here in Murrieta, California at our factory. We've made no compromises in the way we make our product. Innovative designs, the best materials, the best processes, and of course, made by our hand-picked crew. We've built and trained the best team in the world, and I depend on them to help us produce and provide the highest quality, handcrafted product on the planet. Waterstone Faucets. We're a company built on people that love what they do. See who we are and what we can make for you.